Welcome to the future of small SUVs. This is RAV4 Prime. Based on the incredibly popular RAV4 Hybrid, RAV4 Prime raises the bar even further in many exciting ways. First, it's fast, seriously fast. With over 300 combined horsepower on tap, RAV4 Prime boasts the second quickest acceleration in the entire Toyota lineup. Only the purpose-built GR Supra sports car tops it. Despite this incredible performance, it also helps drivers go farther on less gas. With the highest EV range in the plug-in hybrid small SUV segment and its EPA estimated 94 mpge rating. And if that wasn't enough, it even has standard all-wheel drive capability across the entire lineup, while also being rated with a 2,500-pound towing capacity. But we're just getting started. Let's learn more about this game-changing plug-in hybrid. RAV4 Prime takes plug-in hybrid performance to new heights. Starting with a hybrid electric powertrain that produces 302 combined net horsepower, a massive 83 horsepower jump over RAV4 Hybrid. Plus, with a projected 0 to 60 acceleration of just 5.7 seconds, RAV4 Prime packs plenty of excitement to match its legendary utility. In short, it's the fastest RAV4 ever, with the most horsepower in the small SUV segment. It's also the first RAV4 hybrid electric grade with available paddle shifters for a more engaging driving experience. Of course, this is still a plug-in hybrid, and as such, RAV4 Prime also has an EPA estimated 42-mile EV-only range rating. This advanced plug-in hybrid technology relies on 2 traction motor generators, 2 boost converters, an enhanced heat pump HVAC system to improve EV range, and a newly developed high-capacity lithium-ion battery. Drivers have the option to charge RAV4 Prime using the standard onboard 3.3 kilowatt charger and level 1 charging cable, or they can opt for the available 6.6 kilowatt charger on the XSE Grade's premium package, which has an estimated charge time of 2.5 hours when using a 240-volt level 2 charging cable. But if you don't feel like plugging in to recharge, don't. RAV4 Prime will simply carry on as a standard hybrid, complete with the impressive fuel economy estimates expected from a hybrid. Built on Toyota's proven TNGA platform, RAV4 Prime offers the perfect blend of cutting-edge performance and striking style. This new addition to the RAV4 family is available in 2 sport-oriented grades, the highly capable SE and the premium XSE grade. Building off XSE's well-equipped standard features, there are also several packages available to choose from. First, a weather package adds a heated steering wheel, heated rear outboard seats, and rain-sensing wipers with de-icer functionality. Next, the audio package includes an 11-speaker JBL sound system to make the most of your road trip soundtrack. Finally, RAV4 Prime XSE can be outfitted with a premium package, which includes both the weather and audio package, and also adds a head-up display with road sign assist functionality, a digital rear-view mirror, and a variety of other convenience upgrades. RAV4 Prime's sporty yet refined design can be felt throughout the vehicle, starting with the sleek exterior that boasts an exclusive black diamond-patterned front grille. RAV4 Prime is also offered in Supersonic Red, a striking new color that'll turn heads on the street, while the XSE grade ups the style factor even further with its standard 2-tone paint scheme, 19-inch 2-tone machined alloy wheels, red shock absorbers, and vertical LED accent lights. Plus, XSE also offers an available adaptive front headlight system that adjusts automatically to light the road ahead, as well as an available foot-activated power liftgate to easily access luggage or camping equipment. Inside RAV4 Prime, the updated cabin has soft-touch materials and red stitching accents throughout, plenty of space for passengers and cargo, and of course, a ton of creature comforts to help ensure a memorable drive. This can be seen in the standard heated front seats and 8-way power driver seat with lumbar adjustment, and the standard leather-trimmed steering wheel with available heating functionality. Additionally, both RAV4 Prime grades feature special acoustic front side windows that help reduce noise. Meanwhile, the XSE grade elevates the experience with standard Softex trimmed seats, available heated and ventilated front seats, and available two-position memory functionality on the driver's seat. And RAV4 Prime also comes standard with features that the RAV4 family is already known for, including 60/40 split folding and reclining rear seats, a large center console with available blue ambient lighting, as well as an available power panoramic glass roof. Even though RAV4 Prime exudes style inside and out, it's the cutting-edge technology that truly sets it apart. First, the 9-inch audio multimedia touchscreen is the largest ever for RAV4, and it makes music playlists and navigation look amazing. It features standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices, while Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away, and a complimentary 3-month SiriusXM all-access trial offers more than 300 satellite radio stations throughout the country. RAV4 Prime is also decked out with a variety of high-tech conveniences, including a standard smart key system, 5 USB ports, an available 10-inch head-up display, and standard Qi wireless smartphone charging on XSE. Of course, it wouldn't be a Toyota if RAV4 Prime didn't keep everyone connected with its full line of available connected services, including Safety Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, Service Connect, and Remote Connect, which has a built-in charging station locator, charge management features, and remote climate settings to help achieve a comfortable temperature before entering the vehicle. Just like the rest of the RAV4 family, RAV4 Prime is packed with advanced safety features. To start, the entire lineup comes standard with the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 bundle of active safety systems, which includes features like a pre-collision system with pedestrian and bicyclist detection, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, road sign assist, and more. RAV4 Prime also features the Star Safety System, 8 airbags, a standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert system, available front and rear parking assist with automated braking, and an available digital rear view mirror on XSE to see more of what's behind. Finally, XSE can also be equipped with a bird's eye view with perimeter scan to help drivers spot those hard-to-see objects. All in all, it's obvious why the new RAV4 Prime is so innovative in the plug-in hybrid electric small SUV segment, with its winning combo of amazing performance, capability, and efficiency. And this is further elevated with the new Toyota hybrid battery warranty, which lasts for 10 years or 150,000 miles, whichever comes first. Factor in Toyota's reputation for quality, durability, and reliability, and the 2-year Toyotacars no-cost maintenance plan with roadside assistance, and the powerful RAV4 Prime clearly lives up to its name. Just drive it to believe it.